Formal versus informal English. Which one is better? Let's see. Well, there is no better. Both of them are good. It depends on your audience, who you are talking to, or who you are writing to. If you're casually talking to your friends, you should speak informally with them. You don't want to be too formal with them, right? If you talk to your professor or to your boss, you want to be formal. So it totally depends on the audience. And now it's time to practice. Oh my God, it's raining cats and dogs. Yes, it's raining heavily. To top it all off, my vacation was ruined because of a blizzard. Moreover, my vacation was ruined because of a blizzard. Hey Adam, how's it going? Send me the package soon, okay? Bye. You may send it at your earliest convenience. You know what? She's really cool, very funny, and totally smart. I strongly agree with you. So let's summarize it now. Informal versus formal. So rule number 1. In informal English, you can use English idioms like it's raining cats and dogs. But in formal English, you don't use English idioms. Rule number 2. For informal, to use connectors you can use to top it all off. But in formal language, you use moreover, furthermore. Rule number 3. For informal, you can use imperatives. Imperatives are sentences that start with verbs, like, don't talk to me like that, or send me the package. It's too strong, so you can't use it in formal language. So you can say instead, please send me the package at your earliest convenience. Rule number 4. Words like very, really, totally. Those are words that we usually use in our informal writing. In formal writing, we usually use strongly, like, I strongly advise you to clean your room. Now it's quiz time. Ready? I am under the weather lately. This is an informal sentence. Can you change it to a formal sentence? And can you tell me why it is an informal sentence? Leave it in a comment below. And follow for more. Toodles!